Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll walk you through the whole process of adding tags to your projects. It's a 5-click operation, and then you enter the tag name and finalize by hitting save. Tags are an awesome way to find and associate similar or equal projects. Let's jump right in and get started. Click 1. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen to obtain the drop-down menu. Click 2. Go into the Projects app. It's the icon that looks like a jigsaw puzzle. Click 3. Click on where it says Projects on any of the project cards. Click 4. Hit Edit. Click 5. Select the Settings tab. After all this procedure is completed, locate where it says Project Tag right below Customer. Now all there's left to do is give your tag a name next to tags and then select the color. To make this action official, hit save. When you go back to projects, we will be able to view our newly created tag on the project card. Thank you very much.